guys, what's up? I hope that you guys are having an amazing day today. As you can see, for today's video, we're going to be doing two looks of one palette using the Mcgrath Mothership Viii, which is Divine Rose 2, and I am going to be priming my eyes using my P. Louise base. It's just one of my favorite primers to use, and we're going to be using this transition shade, which is called Naked Blush. It is a beautiful peachy rosy kind of shade. I'm going to use this to add it to my crease from the inner corner to the outer corner, and of course I'm going to drag it down to my lower lash. Now using the other shade, which is Extreme Burgundy, and this one is a little bit deeper, so these two are the only mattes in the whole entire palette. So we are going to be doing our best using these two shades right here. I'm going to really focus that in the outer corner and the outer V, and then with whatever is left, I'm going to bring it in and also just drag it down to the lower lash. Now going back with the same brush that I used to add my P. Louise base, just to clean up a little bit, and now using this shade, which is Eloquence, and I'm going to really pack that shade in the outer corner, not going too deep inside. Hello Joseph, he came to say hello. All right, so now we are going to use this beautiful bronzy shade, which is called Bronze Rose 004, with the same brush, and this one is the Rougher 21 brushes. I will link everything down below in the description area just in case you guys are interested, but I'm going to really pack that in the inner corner and as well on the lower lashes and the inner part of our lower lashes. Now going back with Extreme Burgundy and a really tiny brush from Rougher, I am going to define my crease. I absolutely love Rougher brushes for this specific reason, because they're just so easy to add a detail to your eye look. And for the inner corner, I am using Skin Shadow Rose Opal, which is a really nice opalescence, kind of like gold peachy pink. I'm going to add it to my brow bone as well. And now I'm going to tie line with a brown pencil and add mascara. So here is the first look. You can definitely add lashes to it, but I decided to skip on the lashes for these type of looks, and I really like this look. I turned down the lights on this clip right here just so you guys can see the sparkle. It's absolutely stunning, and you're getting a little peek of the second look. So let's go ahead and get started with the second look. So starting with a Naked Blush, I am going to start packing this color in the outer corner, and we're going to really define our eye and the shape that we are going for. So I am going to stand it out, as you can see here, and then little by little I'm going to start working that color into the inner part of my crease, and I'm going to also use that in my lower lashes a third of the way. Now using Rose Seduction, we're going to do the exact same thing, but it's going to be a little bit lower than the previous shade. And now just to deepen up the extreme and using Extreme Burgundy, we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to place it and going back and forth with both Extreme Burgundy and Rose Seduction, and we're going to be using those colors just to intensify this look to your liking, and just going back with a Naked Blush to blend everything. This is just prior to adding any other colors into our lid. Now moving on to Gold Dust 001, which is this beautiful gold super sparkle shade. It's absolutely stunning. I'm going to really just pack that all over the lid, and to deepen out the outer corner, we're going to be using VR Extraterrestrial, and I'm going to also add that to the lower lash and really focus that in the outer V of our eye, as you can see here, and just going back with all of the previous shades to make sure that everything is nice and blended. And for the very inner corner, we're going to be using Astral Pink Moon. This shade is absolutely stunning, so I am going to be adding it to the very inner corner of our eye, and I'm just going to bring it around just like you see here. I'm going to go back to Gold Lust 001. I'm just going to mimic the same thing that I did on my lid on the lower lashes. Now we're going to tie line with the same brown liner, whatever brown liner you have, and I'm going to curl my lashes and add mascara. And I'm using the Mcgrath mascara, by the way, and here is the second look. I'm going to turn down the lights as well, and you're going to see that on the next clip, which is this one right here. You can definitely see the color so much better, and it is absolutely stunning. So which look was your favorite? The first one, the second one? I'm going to ask you right now, like right now, which one was your favorite? First one or second one? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.